Welcome, today I've heard of me, Oukitel OKT1, and I'll show you how the face unlock does on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago here, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we will see how fast this feature is and does it work. So let's just start. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So as we can see, our face unlock feature here works. That's the good result. So we just can unlock the device just in 1 second. I suggest you to try this unlock feature, but I'll try one more thing because I set up my face recognition with the glasses. Now I'll try to unlock the device without of them. So as you can see, it also works here. So just try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the PIN codes or passcodes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.